Hi all, welcome to the review of some Pioneer TS-G1030F speakers. Literally just had these delivered today, so these will be going in the red electric go-kart. So let's just get the packaging open up. So, nice good quality cardboard there, nice thick, feels well packaged. So these are 10cm speakers, 4-inch, 210 watt maximum, although I'll be driving these at about 35 watts, so we're not going to be pushing it at all. They are three-way speakers. The nominal power is actually 30 watts, so that fits in quite nice to the Pioneer amplifier We've got a good frequency range from 35 Hz all the way up to 27 kilohertz, which is quite good. Don't know if you can see that well on the packaging, but we've even got a template for mounting the speakers as well. It comes with it. Now, I'm replacing some previous Pioneer TS-G1030 speakers, so I don't really need that mount because I've already got the mount done. These are purely an upgrade, so let's have a little look, see. A little bit of tape. There we come. Let's find out. So both speakers are in this polystyrene type box. We can see we've got a grill there. So let's have a little look at the speakers. So turn them both over. And we've got some short wires and some mounting screws. Once again, we use our old mounting screws, so we don't really need those. Let's put that to the side. So let's take the grill off and have a look. There's the cone, feels nice and sturdy. Nice good sized woofer. Such a small speaker, that's a nice decent magnet. It's very shallow mount as well. So great for in tight conditions, which is what I'll be fitting them in really. So yep, coaxial three-way speaker, that's correct. And yeah, nice quality, nice and sturdy, feels like it's going to last a while. As I said, we did get some wire in with them, but we won't be using those. We've got our speaker grills as well. So let's just check to see the sizing. Let's just have a quick look at how deep it is. So it's roughly, so it says 52mm deep in total, but your mounting depth is actually going to be less than that. It's going to be about, so we'll just try and roughly line this up, about 42 to 43mm roughly. So nice shallow mount, exactly what we want. So let's get to installing these and see what they sound like. Now, of course, whenever you are working on anything electrical in your car, I always advise that you turn off the power. Now, on a normal car, you would just disconnect your positive lead or your negative lead from the battery. Now, on this car, I have a easily resettable breaker fuse switch connected from the battery on this little mini electric go-kart Power Wheels ride-on toy. So it's a bit more simplistic for me. So let's get these old speakers out, get the system swapped over and see how we get on. Now, quite fortunately, the grills that I'm using, because this was the same series of speakers, the Pioneer TS-1030 I'm replacing, 1030s, I can use the same grill. So it fits on quite nicely and snugly, so I can reuse that. Let's get it swapped in.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe they're looking up to me. They want the best of me.
Okay, so as you can see, that was quite simple to install. So let's turn power back on. Let's start the car up.
Connected.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a little bit of music by Neffex. So he makes some very good songs. They are copyright free, so there's a link in the description. There's a link to his channel. So I'm just going to play that from my Bluetooth phone quickly. Let's just have a little listen.
I wanna say something, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know where she came from, but goddamn, I wanna say something. She a dime, wanna make her mine. Heard through the grapevine, she a great time. Yeah, it should be a goddamn crime to look that damn fine. Gotta lock her up and throw away the key, or you can lock her up and give the key to me. Take it down low, drop it down to the ground floor. I just wanna go and explore. Ooh, baby, I just want more. I want more. Gotta buy it like a rock.
Now for 4-inch speakers, as you heard then, the quality is just fantastic really. You even had a bit of deep bass there, which for speakers that small is quite shocking. That's not what I was expecting. So there we go. So once again, we've upgraded the speakers in our electric ride-on go-kart to Pioneer TS-G1030F speakers. So if you have any questions about the speakers or the upgrade, then please post in the comments. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned as we've got some more videos coming. We're going to be installing the old Pioneer TS-G1010 speakers in the yellow Ford Focus ride-on that you can see. We've got a special Bluetooth miniature amplifier receiver to go in that one, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to get notification when that's coming through. Cheers all, bye.